In this video, I'll show you how to use QuickBooks Online. First, when you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard. Intuit says this is your homepage, where you can quickly see your business activity, including income and expenses, and get a snapshot of your finances. Next, go to Settings to add your company information and turn on the features you need. Intuit says this is where you manage things like business details, sales form settings, billing information, and product language. After that, connect your bank and credit card accounts. Intuit says you do this from accounting, then bank transactions, and choose link account. Once connected, QuickBooks can automatically download recent transactions for review and categorization, then start using the core tools. Use sales to create and send invoices, expenses to track purchases and bills, and reports to run financial reports like profit and loss. Intuit's support guides describe these as the main areas most users rely on every day. So the simple flow is this: sign in, review the dashboard, update your settings, connect your bank, create invoices, track expenses, and run reports. That's the basic way to use QuickBooks Online. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.